Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this. So first thing that I need is I will go to the media pool, right click, I will create a new fusion composition. Basically it's where I will do the motion graphics. Now give it a name as per your requirement. So I will give it name wave ripple. Now drag and drop it here. You can increase or decrease the length as per your requirements. In my case up to this much length is fine. Now I will select this and click on fusion tab. Now this is what it shows. Now I will click on this background. Now I got background. Or you can also do shift or space button, shift plus space button, and type background, and you can bring from here. Uh, After that, I will bring a rectangle, okay, and connect with it. So this is how it looks like right now. Looks good to me. Now I will click on the background and change its color to bluish color for water, and let's move it up. Click OK. Okay, now press shift space and search for ripple. Remember this ripples. Click OK, and you can see that some waves are showing. But if I click on play, it's not animating. So what I can do, I will click on animate and increase the speed as per my requirement. Click on animate and it's animating. Looks good to me. Pause. Let's go back. But I want in 3D. So I will press shift space, type 3D plane image. Okay, plane. Okay, select image plane 3D and click on add. So it's there. Click on the transform. Change its okay, not X rotation. Is it connected? Okay. One thing that I forgot. Basically, you can't connect the image 3D directly to media out. So what I need is shift space render 3D. Now after that connect with this and then media out. Now I can, now it's working fine. Now I click on image 3D. Now if I click on X, you can see it's rotating. That's basically what I want. Go to the scale and increase the scale as per your requirements. I think this much is fine. Now uh, if I click on play, you can see how it looks good. Now to add more details, let's go back, press shift space and search for noise. So I will choose fast noise FN and connect with this one. And okay, you can increase this to add the details. Go to the colors and choose the class per requirement. It's a water one, and let's make it this one blue and this one white. Hmm, let's make this one blue and the black one white. A little bit white, not fully white. So if I click on play, I get this animation. Looks good to me. What do you guys think about this? I know it doesn't look that great, but it's do the work. Now you can add something background to make it look much better. So I will drag and drop and go to the effects, generators, solid color, drag it here and make the blue color here. Okay, now click on play. So this is what I got. Let's make it black. Black is was fine. So in that way you can make this. You can zoom in or more out as per your requirements. So that's for all. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubt and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.